that sa buong Pilipinas, Region 4 yung number 1.
Yes, Your Honor.
O yun. So kasi number 1 ang buong sa buong Pilipinas ang Region 4, 4A, and that worries us. No? Ako saka si General Acop being a part of the Region 4A, number 1 pa po yung Region 4 sa buong Pilipinas. And now what we wanted is to find out sa buong Region 4, sino number 1? Para at least we are knowledgeable, ano, para makita po natin kung ano ba talaga yung status ng ating mga probinsya at bayan-bayan. No? Sige, ano. Okay, we'll be proceeding to the discussion proper. So, Congressman Acop, you wanted to start the...
Mr. Chairman, isa pa pala. We invited pala yung Batangas Enhanced Technology Systems Incorporated in the person of Rolando Montesilio, the president. Again, wala rin dito. Ang explanation niya, ang last paragraph is with our legal personnel as an authorized agent, ACC office is hanging in the balance. We decided, with all due respect to the committee, not to proceed with our attendance as we try to address the issue of the abrupt groundless termination of our authority to operate. So ACC siya pala, tapos terminate yung authority niya to operate. Now, but still, Mr. Chairman, I think we have to issue a show cause order for this because though hanging in balance yung authority to operate, but still they have to shed light on the issue that will be raised by the members of this committee. So with that, Mr. Chair, I move to issue a show cause order for a certain for Rolando Montesilio of Batangas Enhanced Technology Systems Incorporated. So move, Mr. Chairman.
So there's a motion to issue a show cause order to this person. Anong pangalan? Rolando Montesilio. Is there any second motion?
Second.
There's second motion. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Okay, in the last hearing, we were able to tackle yung problem ng Calabarzon with regards to the illegal gambling, ano. And you have shown in your presentation yung dami ng mga ng mga illegal gambling activities that was apprehended. So I still remember General Lucas, no, we tried to ask kung paano yung pagkakasunod-sunod sa Calabarzon. Sino ang number 1, sino number 2, sino number 3 sa dami ng mga nahuhuli na mga illegal gamblers. So can you kindly expound on that, ano? Kasi parang dito parang naka-generalize Naka-generalize yung inyong presentation. What we wanted is to find out the rank of each and every municipalities or cities and station, no? Kung sino yung mga nagna-number 1 diyan sa mga illegal activities. Can you kindly give us a report on this?
Man.
Yes, Congressman.
Before General Lucas will answer the query, the good chairman, may we ask Mr. Chairman, because as far as I remember, during the previous, the first hearing of this inquiry, we directed the Philippine National Police to submit all the pertaining documents with regards to reports on illegal gambling since 3 years ago. Kailan ba yan?
Have you given us another copy of documents? Kasi nung last hearing, nagbigay na po kayo ng dokumento but we asked something sa Region 4. So, can you kindly give us yung updated na ni-request po namin?
Mr. Chairman, what I'm talking is the nationwide, that was the commitment of the PNP to submit to this honorable committee.
Okay, PNP, we can answer that. Si General Francisco.
Your Honor, sir, I have with me here the copies of the nationwide datas of illegal number games. And I am submitting it to the committee.
Can you kindly give it to us now para makita po natin? Ganyan po kadami yan. Ba't ngayon lang sinubmit? Dapat. Dapat 20 copies. Sige. Okay. Sige, can you kindly
Thank
distribute
you.
to members?
Thank you,
Thank you,
Major General Francisco. Thank you.
Okay. Siguro, General Lucas, malaman lang natin yung pagkakasunod-sunod kung sino yung number 1, sino yung number 2 sa Calabarzon. Can you kindly give us some more detailed, no? Para makita natin yung ano, kasi sinabi nila, sino ba nagsalita dati? General Francisco ba yan? Ikaw rin nagsabi pa, that sa buong Pilipinas, Region 4 yung number 1.
Yes, Your Honor.
O yun. So kasi number 1 ang buong sa buong Pilipinas ang Region 4A, and that worries us, no? Ako saka si General Acop being a part of the Region 4A, number 1 pa po yung Region 4 sa buong Pilipinas. And now what we wanted is to find out sa buong Region 4 sino number 1.
Your Honor, if I may.
Sige, go ahead.
Good morning. Based on our records, the province of Laguna is number 1 with regards to the number of cases, followed by Batangas, and third is Cavite, Your Honor.
Yes, correct. So, ito nga, mayroon akong copy dito. But doon po sa mismong illegal gambling, General Lucas, kasi marami ang illegal gambling di ba? Kapag kinatogorize mo yan, meron ditong sabong, meron diyang tong 8s. Ang dami, iba-iba na illegal gambling nyo Pag tinignan mo dito sa illegal gambling, ano yung pinakamaraming illegal gambling sa buong Laguna at sa buong Calabarzon?
Your Honor, bukis po.
Bukis. So out of the how many illegal gambling na nakasulat dito, so ang pinaka number 1 dyan ay
Your Honor, out of the illegal number games, meron po itong 4,561. Your Honor, this data was integrated po sa data na binigay po ni General Francisco sa DIDM po. Out of the 4,561 recorded from calendar year 2023 to February 29, 2024, ang pinakamataas po rito is Bukis, which have total number of cases na 4,367, Your Honor. And nangunguna pa rin dito ang Laguna, followed by Batangas and Cavite and Quezon, Your Honor.
all right. If pag-uusapan naman po ang mga stations, kasi may nakalagay dito number mga different stations, sino ang mga number 1 sa illegal gambling sa Laguna? Sino number 1 sa buong Laguna?
Your Honor, ang nangunguta po rito is the top 3 are the city of San Pablo, followed, I'm sorry, Your Honor, it's Calamba, Your Honor, with 347. This data is from January 1 to 2023 to February 2024. It's Calamba at number 1, followed by San Pablo City, Santa Rosa, and Binyan, Your Honor. Pang-apat po yung Binyan.
Kala ko wala. Anyway, sa pagdating naman sa Cavite, sinong number 1, sino number 2, sino number 3? Para at least we are knowledgeable, para makita po natin kung ano ba talaga yung status ng ating mga probinsya at bayan-bayan. Sige, General Lucas. Punta ka muna sa
Sa-
Batangas. Number 1 ang Batangas, di ba? Ay, number 2 ang Batangas, di ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Number 2 ang Batangas. Sino ano dyan? Top 3?
Ang top 3 po is Laguna, Batangas.
Hindi, I mean sa bayan ng Batangas. Yung mga
Sa bayan
sa
po ng
Batangas.
Batangas, Your Honor.
Kasi unfair eh. Sinabi mo sa Laguna eh. Kailangan sabihin
Opo.
din natin sa Batangas. Kung sino top 3 doon, no? Tinatamaan naman yung amin masyado yung Laguna. Sino sa Batangas? Yung top 3?
The number 1, Your Honor, is the city of Lipa. Followed by
Batangas City.
Balayan
Balayan. And
Agoncillo and Cuenca, Your Honor.
Cavite.
Sa Cavite po, nangunguna po ang Cavite City, followed by the municipality of Rosario,
Okay.
and number 3 po ang Kawit po, Your Honor.
Kawit. Okay. Quezon.
Sa Quezon, Your Honor, nangunguna po ang Sariaya. Second po is Chaong.
Chaong.
Pangatlo po ang
Okay.
Lucena, Your Honor.
Okay. Rizal.
Sa Rizal po, nangunguna po ang Pililla, followed by Cainta po, Your Honor, San Mateo, and Taytay, Your Honor.
Okay. Ba, wala Antipolo ah. Congratulations. Takot sa kanya, sa atin hindi. Anyway, the chair would like to acknowledge the presence of Midi Cuba and Celso Rehencia.